Hey everyone! Looking for the best DJI drone of the year? You're in the right place. We've done the homework to bring you the top DJI drone choice for 2024, considering price, performance, and features. Stick around to find out which DJI drone is perfect for you. Check out the description box below for links to the best deals on this product. Our list isn't ranked, so make sure to watch until the end. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let's dive in and get started. Number 1, DJI Avata 2 drone is a game changer in the world of aerial photography and videography, offering an impressive blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that the Avata 2 stands out for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. One of the most striking features of the Avata 2 is its exceptional camera capabilities. Equipped with a 4K HDR video recording feature and a 1.7-inch sensor, it captures stunning imagery with vibrant colors and incredible detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or intimate close-ups, the Avata 2 delivers crisp, high-quality footage that will elevate your creative projects. Flight experience is another area where the Avata 2 shines. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls make it easy to maneuver, while the advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth, shake-free video. The drone's impressive flight time of up to 18 minutes allows for extended shooting sessions without the constant need to recharge. Additionally, the obstacle avoidance system provides an added layer of safety, giving you the confidence to explore and capture shots without worrying about collisions. For those who enjoy immersive flying experiences, the DJI Avata 2 offers a first-person view, FPV mode, that allows you to see exactly what the drone sees in real time. Pair it with DJI's FPV goggles for an exhilarating flying experience that feels like you're in the cockpit. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 drone is a game-changer for both amateur and experienced drone enthusiasts. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that this compact drone combines impressive performance with user-friendly features, making it an ideal choice for aerial photography and videography. One of the standout features of the Mini 3 is its remarkable camera capabilities. With a 4K video resolution and a 48mm camera, it captures stunningly clear and vibrant images from above. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or close-ups of wildlife, the Mini 3 delivers exceptional detail and color fidelity. The advanced stabilization technology ensures that your footage remains smooth, even in windy conditions, which is a significant plus for capturing high-quality videos. Another area where the Mini 3 excels is its flight time. With up to 38 minutes of battery life on a single charge, you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging. The drone is also equipped with intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Point of Interest, which allow for creative shots with minimal effort. These features make it easier than ever to capture dynamic footage without requiring extensive piloting skills. Portability is a critical factor for drone users, and the Mini 3 does not disappoint. Weighing in at just under 250 grams, it's lightweight and easy to transport. Its foldable design means you can easily slip it into a backpack or carry-on, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Number 3, DJI Mini 2. SE drone has quickly made a name for itself as a fantastic entry-level option for both beginner and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this compact drone is light enough to carry anywhere, making it the ultimate travel companion for capturing stunning aerial footage on the go. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 SE is its remarkable camera capabilities. Equipped with a 12MP camera that can shoot 2.7K video at 30 FPS, the image quality is impressive for a drone in this price range. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes or capturing memorable moments at a family gathering, the Mini 2 SE delivers crisp, vibrant visuals that rival more expensive models. Flight performance is another area where the Mini 2 SE shines. The drone boasts a robust flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing you to cover more ground without the constant worry of battery life. Additionally, the upgraded OcuSync 2.0 technology provides a stable and reliable connection, with a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. This means you can explore further with confidence, knowing you'll maintain a strong signal. Ease of use is also a highlight of the DJI Mini 2 SE. The intuitive controls and user-friendly app make it easy for beginners to get started. while advanced features like quick shots and automated shooting modes allow for creative flexibility. Whether you want to capture a dramatic reveal shot or a cinematic drone. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro stands out as a game changer, combining exceptional performance, advanced technology, and user-friendly features in a sleek, portable design. After extensive testing in a variety of environments, from urban landscapes to sweeping natural vistas, we can confidently say that the Mavic 3 Pro is one of the best drones on the market today. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Pro is its incredible camera system. Equipped with a 4.3 CMOS sensor and dual lenses, it captures stunning 20MP stills and 5.1K video at 50 FPS. The image quality is nothing short of remarkable, with vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and impressive low-light performance. Whether you're shooting a breathtaking sunset or a bustling cityscape, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures your footage looks cinematic. Flight performance is equally impressive. With a maximum flight time of up to 46 minutes, you can capture more without the constant worry of battery life. The drone handles winds and varying weather conditions with ease, maintaining stability and control, which is crucial for high-quality aerial shots. Additionally, DJI's advanced obstacle avoidance technology allows for safer flying, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. The Mavic 3 Pro also excels in intelligent flight modes, offering features like focus track, master shots, and quick shots, which simplify complex aerial maneuvers. The intuitive DJI Fly app enhances your flying experience. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro Drone is a remarkable piece of technology that has taken the world of aerial photography and videography by storm. After extensive testing across various environments and conditions, it's clear that this drone stands out for both amateur and professional users alike. One of the first things that impressed us was its compact design. Weighing just under 250 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is lightweight and portable, making it incredibly easy to carry on any adventure. Despite its small size, it boasts an impressive 4.3 CMOS sensor that captures stunning 48MP still images and 4K video at 60 FPS. The quality of the footage is simply breathtaking, with vibrant colors and sharp details that rival much larger drones. The flight performance is equally commendable. With a maximum flight time of around 34 minutes, you can cover substantial distances without the worry of running out of battery. The Mini 4 Pro features advanced obstacle avoidance sensors on all sides, providing a sense of security while navigating tricky environments. This makes it an excellent choice for both novice pilots and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Another standout feature is the intelligent shooting modes, including focus track, which allows the drone to automatically follow subjects, and master shots, which simplifies the process of capturing cinematic footage. The user-friendly interface of the DJI Fly app enhances the flying experience, providing easy access to a plethora of creative options and settings. In terms of connectivity, the Mini 4 Pro offers excellent transmission range and reliability,